Hi, hello, welcome guys. I am Aravind from Ensbox. In this video, we will see about the Microlino Piana series. Micro Mobility System has launched the first edition of Microlino, the limited Pioneer series. Compromise 999 light electrical vehicles that will roll off the lines in Turin, Italy. All Pioneer series Microlino have a 10.5 kilowatt hour battery for a range of up to 177 kilometers and come in two colors exclusively to launch edition Atlantis Blue and Torino Aluminium. The Microlino is scheduled to launch on May 24 at Micro Mobility's new assembly in Turin. The production partner is CE Comp. Once ramped up, Micro Mobility System expects to make one Microlino in every 20 minutes before capacity levels of at about 7,500 each year. The first 999, however, are reserved for early supporters. Micro Mobility showed the first concept in Geneva 6 years ago and took reservation. 999 is also a homage to our first innovation, the micro scooter that founder Wim Outbotter invented in 1999. So the company more than 80% of the individual parts of the Microlino are manufactured in Europe, most of them in Italy. Micromobility Systems presented the series version of the Microlino 2.0 last year. The electric light vehicle will be available in three editions: Urban, Dolce and Optimized Zone, and with three battery versions for a range of 95 km, 175 km and also 230 km respectively. The Pioneer series carries the mid-range battery. The large battery will not be available before summer. Classed as an L7E vehicle, the Microlino weighs less than 500 kilos and can drive at a speed up to 90 km per hour. The boot capacity is 230 liter. The first Microlino 2.0 to be delivered will be the Pioneer series, limited to 999 units. Its price will only be disclosed when the online configurator is published, something the Outbotters intend to do around May 26. Switzerland will be the first country to get these EVs, followed by Germany and Italy. The rest of Europe should only get this cars by 2023. For more details, see description. Follow my channel, like and also subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.